Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. This is an unboxing video of an LED light used for still photography in studio or video recording, YouTube video recording, etc. One is not enough, you need at least two for video recording. I have bought this from an online store and I will add the link in the description box. Earlier I was using another one which was not good. The brightness was not that much good, but this one is extremely good brightness. You need at least two for this purpose because in order to avoid the shadow from all edges you need at least two. You can see some shadows at the left side and also some more shadows at the top side. If you are using at least two of this kind of LED light, then it will remove all the shadows from this frame. Brightness of these LEDs are quite high. Nothing special is written at the front side of the wrapper, but at the back side I can see something written. One is 100, it will work on from 100 volt to 240 volt AC, and it is making use of 240 LEDs total. 240 LEDs are there inside this LED panel, and the color temperature for this LED light is from 2900 to 5700 K. 2900 means it is working with a daylight. Daylight means yellowish tint will be there from the LED light, and 5700 K means it is making use of total white light. And you can change, you can even control the color temperature from 2900 to 5700 K. Using the remote you can make step by step control from 2900 K to 5700 K color temperature. I have personally used this for my video recordings and I personally recommending this to you. When you are opening this box, you can see the user manual, and so many details are there in this user manual, and the LED type used inside this LED panel, that is also written in that, and the weight of the panel, how much, it's very less weight only, and also it is having 42 watt of power. 42 watts. You can imagine the brightness of the LED tube, which is having 22 watt power, or you imagine the brightness of a 10 watt LED bulb, and now imagine the brightness of this 42 watt LED panel, how much brightness it will be. This 42 watt is actually the total brightness of the both type of LED, that is yellowish type and white LED. Yellowish type is used for 2900 K color temperature, and white LED is used for 5700 K color temperature. The altogether it is having 42 watt of brightness. This user manual contains all the details about the remote control used for this LED panel, and also some other more details are also included in this user manual. This is the LED panel and it is having 11-inch size, which is pretty good, and it has some certificate, that qualified certificate, that is they have tested this and is working perfectly fine and then certifying it. This is the details that is available at the back side of the panel. This is the infrared receiver of the remote control, and it has very pretty good sensitivity. When you are pointing the remote control from the front side of the panel, still it will works fine. That means the sensitivity of the receiver is pretty good. And this is the power cord we are using. The only disadvantage what I can feel is the 2-pin plug. This 2-pin plug is having loose contact at all the power socket in my home, and this is the only drawback I can see for this LED panel. I recommend to remove this 2-pin plug and use a new 2-pin or 3-pin plug from your local market. They have also connected a power switch at the power cord, so that is also a good one. Another advantage of this LED panel is we can mount the panel in two ways, in horizontally and vertically. There are two mount points. One is this one, that is we can mount it vertically, and horizontally you can mount it at that bottom side. You can see that thing. And they are providing us the mount bracket along with this LED panel. We can fix that thing in this LED panel and use this bracket to fix to the tripod. And the bracket has a ball type fix, so that we can bend this panel in 180 degree in all directions. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.